OnePlus just unveiled their newest flagships, the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. In this video, I'm going to talk about the OnePlus 8 Pro. OnePlus 8 Pro will be one of the best flagships launched in this year. Here is the specification of the OnePlus 8 Pro. Let's start with the display, a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz support and rated A+ on DisplayMate tests. This proves that this phone has the best display on the market. On the camera section, OnePlus 8 Pro has a quad camera, 48-megapixel main camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, an 8-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom and a 5-megapixel depth sensor. And on the front section, there is a punch-hole camera with a 16-megapixel sensor. Under the display, OnePlus has packed a lot. Starts with an optical fingerprint sensor, Snapdragon 865 chipset with 5G support, 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, official IP68 rating, and 4,510 mAh battery with 30 watts wired charging support, and first time on the history of OnePlus 30 watts wireless support. What do you think about OnePlus 8 Pro? Comment down below. OnePlus comes in 3 colors: ultramarine blue, onyx black, and a new green color which they are calling glacial green. OnePlus has priced this phone bit high compared to their other phones. The base variant, which is 8GB and 128GB, is priced at $899, and the 12GB and 256GB version will cost $999. And that's it about the OnePlus 8 Pro. They have also launched the new Bullet Wireless Z earphone and some special cases of their phones. Did you like the new OnePlus 8 Pro? Comment down below. And also check out my video on OnePlus 8. If you like this video, a sub will be massively appreciated. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.